my guys, my girls, it's your man's Veracity Teak back again with another tutorial. So the first thing you want to do, click your x32 app, because we're going to jump straight into it. We're not going to waste no time today. So yeah, click your x32 edit app, go to settings, click on car. Oh wait, let me turn on the x32 right quick. All right, yeah, so click your x32 out. Make sure you're on 32 in, 32 out, where it says car right over there. Also, you want to make sure that you have car MIDI selected over here, and you can keep these options the same, okay? This is how you do it the official way, so you can see the scribble scripts and all of that. Click options, MIDI, go down here to Mackie Universal. Make sure you see your x32. And you want to be on port 102 on both of these slots here. 102, all right? Now click inside of this box. Make sure you find Mackie Control Universal. Yep, and you're pretty much done. Make sure it's enabled over here. You want to see that light green there. And that's pretty much it. I'm not sure if this sync master option or whatever, sync with the master. I'm not sure if this mean anything, but I just leave it on. But once I figure out what that actually do, I'll let you guys know in the future tutorial. So let's turn on that DAW remote button there. You can see the scribble scripts right there is lined up with my tracks. What I like about the scribble scripts is when you turn stuff down, they actually show you the percentage of how loud and stuff is the same as in FL. So that's pretty dope. I don't use the x32 often in this way, but it's a dope feature. As you can see, the scribble scripts are matching up there. I'm going to go over here and bank over. Remember I showed you in one of my older videos the official way how to create banks. So I'll link that video up top, but you can bank over to get the other 8, 16, 24, etc. You know, the banks of 8. So I just bank left and right like that. So that's how I will use it. If you want to see the scribble scripts and be able to mute stuff and all of that, this is the official way to do it. But if you want to use all the tracks and use those channels on the other side of the board, I'll link that video in there, but it's going to be limited. I haven't figured out how to do pans and mutes to where you can do it on each track. It seems like FLs want you to have a knob individually on each track to be able to, you know, pan. Like, comment, and sub. Peace.